to create a table using primary key so that no one able to insert a duplicate value in primary key. What is constraint and what is primary key, all that type of videos I have already made. You can go to my channel and you can watch those videos, so you will be able to understand what is primary key, what is foreign key, all the concept used in Oracle. So in this particular video we will see how to add primary key in Oracle table. So for example, I have created this table, pk table, using these columns, and I have added here primary key so that my TGT user ID will be my primary key column. So that column only contain unique values and it will not allow duplicate value and null value in that particular table. So if I created this table, so my table is created with the primary key on TGT user ID. Now I will try to insert some values in that table. So I will insert this value. If I run this, sorry, if I have to change the table name here, so that table is already okay. Now if I run this, first value will be inserted, then second will be inserted, third will be inserted, fourth will be inserted. So if I see my table, so let's start from that table. So I have inserted these four values: 101, 102, 103, 104. TGT user ID is my primary key column. So now if I try to insert this value again, so it will give me a constraint violation error. So my column that primary key content, column that contain primary key, that will not allow the duplicate value to insert in that column. If I change this with other value like 104, then it will allow me to insert those value in that table. So likewise I can use my primary key constraint. Thank you.